Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, today we'll discuss about how to turn off Google Safe Search if it is locked. So what you have to do is just open google.com, and after that from here you have to click on the settings option, click on search settings. After that go below, click on Safe Search, and here you will find the to turn off Safe Search option. So it is my case, but many of the users don't see this, and there it is locked actually. So what you have to do is, to turn off Safe Search you have to first click on the upper three dots you can see over here, and after that you have to go to the settings, and after going to settings click on privacy and security. After that click on use secure DNS, and under it choose another provider, select Google DNS, and then refresh to check if you get the option to turn off Safe Search. So if you still cannot get it, then you have to go to the settings. After that click on more connections. After that click on private DNS, and here you have to select auto if it's selected any other, whether it's off or private DNS provider. So select auto, and after that save, and again go back, refresh it, and then you will and here you will get the option to turn off Safe Search option. So simply here you have to select it, and Safe Search is now off. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.